This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming updates and switching to a stable connection. Why this matters is simple. Packets drop on old firmware and weak Wi-Fi. Plug an Ethernet cable or move to a 5 GHz band and reboot modem, router, and console. Power down for 60 seconds to clear caches. Once done, set a static IP on your console so port forwarding stays reliable. This first set of actions reduces jitter and gives you a predictable network path for Fortnite traffic. Now you tune the router for consistent packet delivery. Assign the console a static LAN IP so rules stick, then enable UPnP or forward Fortnite ports to that IP. This ensures incoming game packets reach you directly. Next, configure CoS to prioritize that IP or gaming traffic. This lowers packet loss during peak use. If you still see fragmentation, reduce the MTU to about 1472 on the console or router. Finish by verifying your changes. Run a continuous ping or trace route to the Fortnite server and watch for packet loss percentage. This shows whether the network path is stable. Make sure to stop downloads, streaming, VPN, or other clients that consume upload bandwidth. These commonly cause packet loss. If you still get loss, note timestamps and symptoms, then call your ISP for a line quality test. Provide the trace route and loss rates so technicians can identify routing or modem issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.